Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, I'll guide you on how to add a Google Drive folder to your desktop as a shortcut, making it easier to access your important files with just a click. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, open your Chrome browser. So I'm gonna open my Chrome browser by clicking on the Start menu and I'm gonna search your Chrome and press enter to open it. So I'm gonna type on the address bar drive.google.com. Press enter again and you will see the interface of the Google Drive. If you didn't log in here with your Gmail, you have to log in here with the email address provided by Google. Alright, after that, normally you have to click on this new icon and select new folder if you want to create a folder. And give it a name. I'm giving it as sample and pressing on enter button. And it will create a folder. After that, enter on it. And here you will see an icon on the top right corner, 3 dot, click on that. And here you will see an option, cast, save and share, hover over there. And here you have to choose create shortcut from the left menu bar. And you can give it a name here. I'm giving it as default and clicking on create button. And it's creating a folder on my desktop. And this is the folder or shortcut icon. So if I click on this, it will redirect me to drive.google.com on that sample folder every single time. And it's saving my time. Alright. So I think it will help you a lot. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.